we're gonna be unboxing GE Modern, no, not Modern, Classic Tails. So these are gonna be the main tails of my channel. Let's get right into it. Oh my gosh. Kind of hard without scissors, but not really. Oh, I can already see the shoes. Oh crap, I've never had a tail. Look how cool this is. It's way shorter than my Sonic plushie, my Sonic one, but really most plush tubers have bigger Sonics than Tails and Knuckles, so yeah. Oh my gosh. This is going to be the main Tails of my channel. And my first Tails plush ever. Because like, I just love this plush. Bro, this GE Classic Tails looks so cool. Yeah. And now, hope you like the video. Bye.